Going to be pulling back to defense line 2 as my position 0 is much more viable than my position further back over.
Oh. Okay, some other positions are being more overrun than we are. We are most probably gonna be pushing back a position.
Charlie, positions pushed further north of defense line 2 and falling back as trade more favourable. Over.
Might be actually flight engaging units there.
Wow.
Yeah, we'll be flight engaging. That's what you're hearing to the north side.
I think this is fine.
Yeah, that was close.
What are they shooting at?
There's probably reinforcement coming from there.
Okay, Stone, when we pull back to the second defense line, I want you to get onto Hill 6 with Yale and pass Delta, cover that and go to the north. The rest of the section will be holding the main.
Okay, Delta, let's move with me.
Pop smoke withdraw. Pop one smoke with grenade at your feet, pull back.
Okay,
This
Charlie
is not
does
friendly,
follow us.
by the way. This is enemy
Charlie,
missiles.
stop. Norman, enemy on me. Stop pulling back now. Double tap it back.
The Mega follow Delta.
Rest of Charlie move. Basically, Stone, dig in that hill as hard as you can.
Work. Mech. Use enemy. Delta, give Delta keep pushing south.